Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can restart Samsung Galaxy S20 FE. Alright, so let's begin. We have two methods how we can restart this device, and let me show you both of them. So when it comes to the first method, it's a simple reboot from the power menu. Performing a reboot regularly, or for example when you have little problems with your device. When I'm saying problems, I mean that, for example, some of the apps doesn't want to open, or it takes really long before the app opens, that the phone lags, is working slowly. Reboot can help in those situations. When I was using this device for a while, I had one situation when, for example, one app didn't want to open. I have performed a reboot and everything started working fine. So and that's when we can perform a reboot. Also, when we are performing a reboot, our phone rests, we can say in that way. Also, the RAM gets freed up and our device might start working a little bit faster. To perform that reboot, we need to hold the power button and volume down button for around 1 second, and that's how we can launch the power menu. Okay, now all you need to do is to simply tap on the restart, now tap again, and after that our device will be turned off, and after a few seconds it will be turned on automatically and it will be ready to use. The second method is called the forced restart, and it's also recommended, for example, when we have problems with the lagging phone, but it's recommended when we cannot perform the first method. So for example, when it happens to you that for example, your screen will be frozen and simply unresponsive, you cannot do anything or even scroll left or right, that's the moment when the forced restart can help. To perform that forced restart, we need to again use the power button and volume down button, but this time we need to keep holding both of those buttons until the phone turns on again. So let's keep holding both of the buttons. We need to keep holding. It's going to take a while, so simply be patient. You can see that the screen turned off, but let's keep holding until the Samsung logo appears on our screen. Okay, I think now we can release, and now the Samsung logo should appear at any second. Yeah. Okay. So after a few seconds, once the Samsung logo appeared, we just need to simply wait until the phone turns on and it will be ready to use. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.